Plan viewing has undergone a very drastic visual change from the previous version of the site. You must still be an upgraded member to view, print, or download plans. The first of the major changes you will see are the 5 icons to the left of the page. The first icon is to purchase plans. As a Builders Exchange member, you can purchase individual hard copy plans for $3 a sheet. You can choose to pick up your drawings in the plan room or have them shipped directly to your office. To order plans, check the boxes next to the pages you need, then click on the icon. The second icon will allow you to download selected plans into a zip file. Check the boxes of the plans you wish to download and click on the Adobe icon. The drawings will be downloaded to your hard drive in PDF format. The third icon allows you to download selected files in TIFF format. The fourth icon combines and downloads your selected plans into one PDF file. The last icon offers customizable viewer options for our site. If you are using a tablet or mobile device that is not equipped to handle a specific viewer, that viewer will not appear. When you log into another computer that is equipped to handle a specific viewer, that viewer will reappear for your use. Because our software pre-selects what viewers are available for your devices, you will save time and frustration selecting the right viewer for your needs. The plans are grouped by drawing type. You can batch download any section by checking the box next to its heading and clicking the appropriate icon at the left. Next to the page names are your plan viewing options. The Toolbox Viewer is our newest viewer. It requires no download and works across all platforms, but does not provide any takeoff capabilities at this time. You can zoom in and out, rotate, print, and download as a PDF. You can also change the pages by viewing the complete plan list or move forward and backward within the set using the navigational arrows. You can also link to the spec list if needed. The orange box is the IVS Pro Viewer and includes online takeoff tools. We will discuss that viewer in just a minute. The IVS Lite Viewer is available and unchanged from the old site. However, it will not appear if you are using Google Chrome. Instead, you should use the Toolbox Viewer. The Lite Viewer does not provide online takeoffs. It simply allows you to view, print, or download the plan. The green Adobe icon allows you to view the plan as a PDF. And lastly, the blue icon allows you to view as a TIFF. If you have never used our online takeoff tools before, we encourage you to try them now. Many members find that online takeoffs eliminate the need for a hard copy drawing, saving you valuable time and money. To utilize the takeoff tools, open the Pro Viewer. This has not changed from the previous version of the site. You can zoom in and zoom out, or zoom in on just a portion of the drawing. If you choose the Move option while zoomed in, you can grab and drag the print. Using the arrows, you can rotate 90 degrees as needed. The magnifying glass allows you to zoom in on a portion of the drawing temporarily. Should you come across a drawing that may not be the best quality, the cleanup button will remove any lines or graininess without compromising the integrity of the drawing. If you have a full-size plotter, you can print directly from the viewer either as a single print or in a batch. You can also resize the page if you do not have a plotter. Files can be downloaded to your hard drive or saved within the viewer itself. Preferences allows you to change where your drawings are downloaded on your computer. The Plans drop-down list allows you to move easily between drawings, whereas the arrows allow you to flip through pages one by one. If you saved a drawing, it will appear under the Saved icon. This is especially helpful if you've started a takeoff and need to save your work. All previous markups will be saved in this section. The Exit icon will close the drawing. Next, we'll discuss the takeoff tools. The first step is setting your scale, which can be found in the center at the top of the page. All of the most common scales are provided, but if the scale you require is not listed, you can enter a custom scale. The tools are on the right-hand side of the page. Select the tool you would like to use by clicking on the appropriate icon. The oval and rectangle provide area in square feet for circles, squares, and rectangles. Hold down the left mouse button and drag to obtain the shape. Once you release the mouse, the desired measurement will be highlighted on the blueprint in the upper left-hand corner. Complex linear measurement calculates perimeter and is useful for items such as cabling or curbs that might not be a simple A to B measurement. By left-clicking and holding with your mouse, a magnified bullseye will appear. Click again at each point and double-click at the end to stop measuring. Your perimeter will appear in the upper left-hand corner. Irregular areas work in the same way as complex linear measurement, but it also calculates area in addition to perimeter. Again, you can double-click at the end to stop measuring. The arrow allows you to draw attention to a note or takeoff on the drawing. The freehand tool allows you to draw on the print. The highlight tool will allow you to highlight notes or a specific portion of the drawing. The text box and post-it note will allow you to write text on the drawing. The difference between posting a note and text is that the post-it note can be moved around the plan so as not to obstruct any details. The ruler calculates point A to point B measurement. And your final option is the counter. Select one of the 3 programmed shapes and begin clicking on the object you wish to count. If you clicked something by mistake, right-click to delete and all your numbers will move up accordingly. Or the reset button allows you to start over with your count. Any drawn object can be removed by right-clicking and then selecting delete. Now is a good time to save your work. Or if you'd like to include your markups on a printed page, you can do that as well.